Okay, so I want to move this little dot because I want the video to start fading in the same place as the audio. Oops, might have to click it to, there we go. And then when I hit play, I can see both start to fade out. Okay, all right, so now we want to do some effects and transitions. We have, excuse me, we have down here some transitions. They're put into different categories. I'm going to go to the dissolve category, and I'm going to use the cross dissolve, and I'm going to use it on every single one because typically we want to keep things consistent. You, however, when you do your own videos, you can experiment with these and see which one works best for yours. Okay, so I'm going to use cross dissolve, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it in between. I'll get a little pop-up. It asks me how long I want the cross dissolve to last. I want it to last for 1 second, which is equivalent to 30 frames, and I want it to be between the clips. That way it takes 15 frames from first clip, 15 frames from the second clip, and then I click done. And now you can see the cross dissolve right there. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to each one using the same settings of between clips. And just know that if you did have a clip that was really short or really long, you might, oops, I need to move my, you might want to change the duration. Well, come on, stay there. I need one more. There we go. Change the duration of your transition. All right, next we have this record player which we could put an effect on to make it look a little old time. So if we come down here to the effects, I want you to see again that they're divided into categories. We could do something as simple as making it black and white. I would click and drag, but I think that we have some different options that might look better. If I go down here to film looks, you'll see that I have the ability to make something look comic, look like a newsreel, Hollywood movie, old film. That is exactly the look that I'm wanting, I think, old film. So let me drag it back here, and I'm going to click on old film and drag it and drop it, and I like that look. Now, I'm not going to apply any other effects to any of the other clips, so now I'm ready to render this. I'm going to go to Publish and Share, Computer, and we want to get the best quality, and so I'm going to scroll down in this menu and choose QuickTime. Then from the presets, I'm going to choose this last one on the list, HD 29.97. I'm going to title it, and again, this is the rendered one, so this is going to have to be 1_ your last name, _ and then the name of the thing, which is music video. You'll see right now that mine's going to my desktop. If yours is not, you should hit browse and find your desktop so that it goes there, and that's because we don't render video over a network. And then hit save. It'll take a couple of minutes to run through the process, but in the end you'll wind up with an MP4 of your video that you can upload to your Google Drive.